clicking a selfie. At least smile properly. Are your cheeks sewn?
Not swin. Tore apart carrying you every time.
What?
Cheeks.
Smile please, 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 smile please.
I always felt that one day my prince, whom I dreamt of, will come on a white horse or on a powerful black bike.
I also felt that a dream fairy will arrive in my life, just like a cinema heroine, waving her hair with a sweet smile.
And what happened at the end? I saw him for once and simply put the garland around his neck, and that's it.
I thought, let it be now. She will be my Hema, Madhuri, Sridevi and Bebo.
Wedding ceremony gets over. Then the topic comes about going to honeymoon.
Lots of options. Switzerland, Paris.
Kashmir, Kanyakumari.
And in the end what? Budget and distance wise, the only option is
Good. Old is gold.
Mahabaleshwar.
I'm clicking a selfie. At least smile properly. Are your cheeks sewn?
Not swin. Tore apart carrying you every time.
What?
Cheeks.
तेनु काला चश्मा जचता है गोरे मुखड़े पे। ओ तेनु काला चश्मा जचता है गोरे मुखड़े पे।
Hey, what are you doing?
Why? What happened? I was singing a nice song for you. You are so disappointing. Oh no.
Hey, but
Hmm.
you began singing suddenly?
Don't you understand it? I am happy. You don't understand anything. Oh no, God.
Hey, where are you going?
Exactly. लाभना नफान चाल झपझपा. Then what? पगार तुझा किती? दगडन माती? घेणं न देणं आणि फुक्कटचं कंदील लावणं.
Hey, but
खिशात नाही आणा आणि मला बाजीराव म्हणा. तळ्यातनं मळ्यात नि पडमशा गळ्यात. नेसाय नाही चिंधी आणि माथ्यावर सोन्याची बिंदी.
hey,
चाल चवड्यावर आणि नजर कवड्यावर.
what?
केसभर गजरा आणि गावभर नजरा. स्वतःचं ठेवावं झाकून आणि दुसऱ्याचं पाहावं वाकून.
Hey, will you stop now?
नाक नाही नथीला आणि भोकपाड भीतीला.
Yeah, thirr. Tang ting tingang, dang ting tingang, tang ting tingang, dang ting tingang. This is called as सौ सुनार की और एक भरतार की.
What do you think? I am sick? You don't even understand that. I am so happy. And happy people can do anything. He sings song, keep talking, dance around.
But what is that? You are so happy about?
Oh no, I can remember all the things. Oh no. We had prepared such a great ukhanas in our wedding. Do you remember?
Yes, true.
Hey, please repeat one of the ukhana from our wedding.
Shall I say it? Okay. आवडली होती दीपिका.
What?
ते उखाना. आवडली होती दीपिका. पण उंची बसना मापात. म्हटलं जाऊ द्या मरू द्या. हेच ध्यान आपल्या नशिबात.
शाहरुख पासून सल्लू पर्यंत सगळे होते मनात भरले.
What?
शाहरुख पासून सल्लू पर्यंत सगळे होते मनात भरले. कुणीच घावना. शेवटी या धेंड्याच्या गळ्यात पडले.
ए शुभमंगल सावधान ऐकून पळून जाणार होतो. शुभमंगल सावधान ऐकून खरं तर पळून जाणार होतो. या राणीनं पदराला बांधून घेतलंय. तवा आता हिचंच नाव घेतो.
नाचायची तर भारी हाऊस. नाचायची तर भारी हाऊस. अंगण पडलं थोडं. नाचायची तर भारी हाऊस. अंगण पडलं थोडं. या राणीमुळं राजाचं गंगेत न्हायलंय घोडं.
मांडवाखाली वरात आली, मांडवाखाली वरात आली, वाजला बँड बाजा. आता तूच माझी राणी आणि मीच तुझा राजा.
ढग फुटला, पाऊस पडला. ढग फुटला, पाऊस पडला, झालं पाणी पाणी. आता ह्योच माझा राजा आणि मीच याची राणी.
राणी
राजा
राणी
राजा. Why you always think that I am always sick?
Hey, because you started laughing suddenly.
Oh no, I remember all those things. It was like a dream. You came to me, you saw me, you liked me, we got married and we came here.
Here?
Here as in here, in Mahabaleshwar. At this sunset point.
Have achieved this point in life, had to cross so many turns.
Huh. So many stops, so many junctions.
So many junctions. Huh? Junctions?
I mean, I remembered suddenly you are from Daun, I'm from Manmad.
Oh, these junctions. I thought so many trains are going to station.
Hey, if you are making wrong interpretation of my simple speech, then let it be.
Why do you say this all time? Let it be, let it be. Huh? You are important part of this. Without you, how will we move ahead? You.
You means?
Hey, you means saying it in respectful way. What did you think? You.
So you are talking respectfully now?
You kiss a lot because of something.
Oh no, thing to take? Why do you say to knock it down?
You're naughty, huh? And too skeptical.
Now you have raised the topic. I have a doubt since many days. Can I ask?
Hey, you can ask. I'm very happy today. Ask anything. No doubt.
Well,
Hey, go on. No doubt.
okay, will you give a true answer to me?
Yes, yes, of course. No doubt.
Okay, then tell me one thing.
Will tell. No doubt.
Okay, then tell me, in your arms, am I the first one or second?
Hey, second. No doubt.
What? Oh no, I'm not going with you.
Ashwini, yena, yena.
Smile please, 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 smile please.